Hi, my name is İlker Basaran. I do technical support at Bruderer. In this short movie, we are going to show you how you can find a mechanically lost stroke. The situation when the stroke is lost is mostly as follows. In the stroke help mask, you can see that the pin is not engaged, or that it is not locked into position and touches another undefined place. Usually, the brake is off. The switch bolt is open. You can see it from the white marks. Pressure has dropped significantly. When the switch bolt is engaged, the pressure is usually just over 3 bar. On the machine, in this case a BSTA 280, the situation is as follows. The switch bolt is out. You can see it based on this mark. Currently, no stroke is aligned to the bottom dead center. You can see that there is no stroke mark aligned to the arrow. In rare cases, it could happen that the stroke mark is accidentally aligned. Most important part is to let the pin mechanically engage into the outer eccentric hole. You are going to find the lost stroke with the following steps. As a first step, you choose the stroke and confirm it with the Acknowledge To button. The pin engages automatically. Check that the brake is open. For the next steps, you are going to need the following 3 tools. A special Bruderer key to turn the machine manually, a 36mm wrench, a 17mm ratchet wrench. You now place the special Bruderer key on the eccentric and turn it until you hear the pin engage. If the pin engages, you can proceed directly to setting the stroke on the machine. However, often this doesn't work, because the inner and the outer eccentric rotate against each other. The following explains how you can still lock the pin into position. Turn the adjustment shaft lockwise until it mechanically stops, using the 17mm ratchet wrench. Do not use force to reach the effective switch position. Otherwise, damage to the eccentric bushing interlock may be caused. You now need to make sure that the switch bolt stays in that position and doesn't turn back. For this, we take the 36mm wrench and tighten the outer nut lockwise. With this procedure, the inner and the outer rings are locked in place and can no longer rotate against each other. Using the special Bruderer key, you can now turn the eccentric until the pin engages. You can hear the engage noise. You can no longer rotate the special key. You now release the outer nut, using the 36mm wrench, turning it anti-clockwise with a maximum of a half turn. Then place the 17mm ratchet wrench on the adjustment shaft and turn it anti-clockwise in order to set the switch bolt mark to the open position. The pin is now engaged in the hole of the outer eccentric and the switch bolt is open. Next, you are going to set the desired stroke on the machine. Using the special Bruderer key once more, you turn the inner ring until the desired stroke is aligned with the arrow mark at the bottom dead center. Using the 17mm ratchet wrench, turn the adjustment shaft lockwise until the switch bolt engages. Should you have difficulty engaging the switch bolt, rotate the special Bruderer key by just 1 or 2 mm to the left and right until you have found the lock position. The mark bolt in shows that the switch bolt is engaged. With this step, you have found the lost stroke and set the machine to the required stroke. Finally, you need to synchronize the feet. To do this, set the 47 stroke to the bottom dead center on the outer ring using the special Bruderer key. Both stroke marks are now set in the bottom dead center. You can now carry on with your usual setup. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, please contact our customer support.